What a great show we have lined up. Let's see what's first.
Bigger doesn't always mean better, especially when it comes to law firms. If you're looking for an attorney to have your back and to protect your rights, consider a smaller boutique firm.
You'll often see firms advertising that bigger is better. And unfortunately, a lot of times with these large firms, you're never going to get to actually speak with the attorney who's handling your case. You are going to get pushed from one attorney to another, only to find at the end of the line, you've never actually met your attorney before. So it's important knowing that you have a personal connection with your attorney and that you're able to communicate directly with that person who is in charge of your case. A lot of folks, unfortunately, make the mistake of feeling once they hire a lawyer, they can't get away from that attorney, even though they realize they're not doing the best job for them. Whether it be a criminal case or a personal injury file or a family law matter, it's important that you know that you are the one who is in control ultimately. So it's really important that you pick a law firm that you trust, that you feel comfortable with, that you feel like you can communicate with. They're always going to end up with a better result than sending yourself or your case to a mill where you have no idea what the result's going to end up being.
Whether you're looking to create a will or you've suffered an injury and need help getting justice, Bechert Associates has a dedicated team of attorneys to help.
I concentrate the focus of my practice in wills and trust, in family law matters, as well as personal injury cases where I represent the injured here in the state of Florida. In addition to being a lawyer, I'm a Florida Supreme Court certified mediator. And what that brings to the table is it allows the benefit of those experiences and those mediations to understand where both sides are coming from, whether it be in a divorce case where you have a husband and a wife, whether it be a personal injury case where you have the insurance company and the insured, or whether you're dealing with somebody where there's a will dispute or a probate matter that you're assisting the family at the time of their loss. So it's important to have that benefit to bring to the table to those three primary areas of concentration. Nobody likes to talk about death. It's an uncomfortable topic. But the reality is that if you want the things that you have accumulated during your lifetime to be passed on to your family when you are gone, the most effective way is to have someone assist you, like a probate or a wills and trust attorney, by preparing the correct documents and to have them identify your assets correctly. Family law encompasses primarily four major categories. One is alimony between the spouses. The second area is the distribution of the assets that were accumulated during the marriage. The third would be when you have children, what is the proper time sharing for the children to grow up with. And lastly would be the child support for those children. And it's important that you have a practitioner who is familiar with all of those areas in order to make sure that the family resolution is complete and is without drama. When an insurance company is evaluating your case as a victim of an automobile accident or a slip and fall, they typically look, as it relates to personal injury, what was the property damage to the vehicles at the time? How quickly did you treat for this accident after it occurred? And how often did you continue to treat? And those are the primary factors they're going to be evaluating when looking at your case, because inevitably they're going to be coming to me and saying, well, he couldn't have been that hurt if he didn't treat. You need to focus on getting well, get your treatment done, and follow through on those treatment plans as prescribed by your physician.
Bechert Associates is committed to achieving the best possible outcome for you.
One of the most important things when hiring a lawyer is that you have somebody that's willing to go to trial. We find that in South Florida we have a number of attorneys, I'm talking about thousands of them, that have never seen the inside of a courtroom. They're great on commercials, they're great on TV, but they never tried a case. You need somebody willing to throw down with the insurance company and take them to task. If you happen to be a walk-in client of mine, you drive by the office and you see our billboard, we make time for you to come in and explain what your problem is. At the end of the day, we are problem solvers. That is the nature of an attorney's job. We are here to solve your problem, and we're going to take it seriously, and we're going to take the time to meet with you and to get to the bottom of it and to help you the best we can.
If you're looking for an attorney that will fight for you, visit their website, southfloridaattorney.com, or see this segment again on thebalancingact.com.